Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today I'm going to unbox the Mi 11i. I think Xiaomi is totally lost its mind. Mi 11, Mi 11 Lite, Mi 11 Pro, Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11i. What does I mean? I mean interesting or means ice cream? I don't know. So let's just unbox it, alright? And this is the first time I got it, so I have no idea what's inside. What are the specs? Let's just check it out. So alright, this is the box. On the box it has 110 megapixel ultra clear camera. The Mi logo, Mi 11i, with easy access to the Google apps you use most. Okay, Umi, you really need to have a good rest. So, alright, open the box. Yeah, if you are a Xiaomi fan, this is no stranger to you. And the pin, and we see 3.5mm headphone adapter. And some paperwork, quick starter guide, warranty card, and safety information. And then we also see a transparent case. Then is the foam. And the film, it has some highlights, 108 megapixel ultra high resolution camera, clear audio with triple microphone array, 120 Hz 6.67 inch AMOLED dot display, Dolby Atmos, dual speakers, flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, connect to 5G with flagship speed, slim and stylish design, long-lasting 4520 mAh battery. Wow, so this is actually a flagship level phone. So this is the phone. Wow, looks really good. Feels really smooth and not so easy to gather fingerprints or smudges. So let's just put it here and we'll take a closer look later. Let's check what else. Of course, a Type-C cable and a charger. The maximum is 33 watt fast charging. So that's what the box has worked out, not including Omi. Now let's move to the phone. So on top we see a speaker, an IR blaster, and the denoise mic. On this side, nothing. And move to the bottom, we see the SIM card slot, a Type-C port, another speaker, and the mic. So let's just check out what this SIM card is all about. So dual SIM card, dual standby. So it has water resistant rubber, so it should be IP rated, but we don't know exactly the specs. So on the right side, we see the fingerprint scanner. That's also the power key. Then is the volume rocker. On the back we see, wow, it's really protruding. And the main camera is 108 megapixel. So for this, I will just list on the screen here. You can check it out. About the phone, the MIUI version, MIUI Global 12.0. Device name, MIUI 11i. Storage is 256 gigs. So alright, this is the Antutu Benchmark I just ran, and 646,000. It's not very bad for Snapdragon 888, right? But definitely not the best. Anyway, the battery temperature 41 degrees Celsius. CPU temperature is 41.3 degrees Celsius. Let's check the details. CPU, GPU, MEM, UX. So let's just watch some videos.
Wait a essa Xiaomi e hoje eu venho apresentar para vocês mais um novo modelo do Redmi, o Redmi 10S.
The sound is really, really good. The camera? Yeah, the camera we didn't have a chance to make any videos or photo samples. So this is Mi 11. Let me take a few portraits. Okay. Umi, come on. Umi. So now I'm going out to shoot some video and photo samples for you. So let me know if they're any good. Aqui, nada mais estabilization supported. And this is the selfie video if you are interested to know. And this is what it sounds like. Sound testing, sound testing. Let me know if they are any good. So alright, that's a really simple unboxing and hands on the Mi 11i. To be honest, I didn't expect it's this powerful. It has the Snapdragon 888 chipset, one of the most powerful on the market right now, and it has 108 megapixel main camera and also a bunch more like the good sounding, the smooth design. I especially like this glossy back finish. I really like it. It's so smooth and comfortable. It just have a good feel in your hands. So yeah, currently I don't know the price yet, but if the price is good, definitely go and get it. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, and special thanks to my friend Xiaomi and Diego for lending me this phone. So check out their channels in the description as well. I'm Sammy and I will see you next time.